So which ride is this? Man, watch it be something stupid.
Remember that simulation of butterbeer sounds so sweet.
I'll try some. Yeah, my wallet, yeah. I'm like, damn, don't pat your hip. That scared the hell out of me. Turn up. Get this butterbeer popping off. But I need some real beer after this, though. We'll see. We'll see. Whoa, my hands are shaking. Wait, I'm not holding it right. Hold on.
What is that, cream soda?
That's pretty much, yeah, it's just cream soda. What you think?
It's cream soda.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's cream soda. Basketball. Wish I would have saw that before I started drinking. Man. Alyssa, you know you ghetto as hell eating Cheez-Its.
Fine! I had a lot of coffee, so I'm like...
Hey, we out here eating Cheez-Its.
Where's that ghetto?
In Hollywood. This is the day that we're supposed to spend money on the restaurants. Go out and get something to eat.
I can't have snacks for in between the rides?
Some Cheeto or Cheez-Its?
Cheetos! How much beer you in? Look at wait.
So you couldn't even get the Parmesan. That's the standard cheddar.
They're big Cheez-Its.
The big Cheez-Its.
They are, actually.
Get up here. No, it's picture time. Drag him up, Mom. It's family picture time. Family picture time. There you go. There you go. Autobots, transform and roll out! I have returned. Where is he, humans? You know who I'm after. Where are you, Megatron?
You saw their mouths moving?
You didn't see how it was one of those cover...
I'm gonna have to check the footage. No.
Generated it. Oh, we just had something. We had emergency there. Okay. If it is a medical emergency, wave your hand. If you drop something, wave your hand. Okay, you dropped something. Hang on.
Oh, look, I see it right there.
Don't jump out. Don't jump out. Okay, we're just looking into it. Hang on. Somebody just pulled the emergency cord, so we're just finding it. Somebody dropped something. I just have to see if I don't think I'm allowed to get out right now. Time. We're going to head inside here in just a moment. Oh, here's Peter Jackson to tell you a little bit more while we're waiting to get in there. No, I'm not Peter Jackson. Second car. Oh, there he goes.
Connection Live.
The Universal Tram is winding its way through a very rough, narrow trail in Skull Island, allowing the visitors a little sneak peek at some of the wildlife of Skull Island. We established in our feature film, and this is, another day, another incident on Skull Island of using the creatures and the character impersonating Kong as he appeared in the movie.
Yeah, all right. Hang on to your personal belongings, my friends. Hang on tight. Get those glasses on. We're heading in.
Man, I almost dropped my bag. Hey, look it. Oh, shit. I got wet. It went in my nose. Oh, God. Yes. Oh, shit. Oh, I got wet again. See, now that's got to stop. They got to. Oh, a spider.
Oh my God.
Oh. No. Oh. Oh my God.
Yeah, King Kong 360 3D.
Hey, where did that spider
Pretty
go?
wild, huh? Thunder and lightning, sound effects and lights. How about some rain to go with that? Rain from spring.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh shit! Oh.
What do you know? Just as predicted. Yeah, just the way it looked in the movie.
Man, that's some shit.
That's him, right over there. You all right? Yeah, now this is what we call a hot set. We have the signs up there. Whoa, whoa, uh-oh. Please remain seated. Please remain seated. I think we just had a little earthquake. Okay, don't panic. But we're going to... Hang on. Hang on, this could be the big one. Oh, there goes the ceiling in the back.
Oh shit! Hey, that shit's on fire.
You know how big? Like magnitude.
We got the best seats. Best seats.
They don't get much bigger than that. Now they're...
Really?
Oh, he like yelled at my ear. Let go of my hand.
Let's go
Oh,
and see.
that was my ear.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1. There you go. Whatever you know. Oh yeah, move it, move it. Dad, jeez. Yeah, listen. One more, yeah, buddy. There you go.
Spitball here. I should be your next tattoo. I should be on you. As a tattoo.
Oh man, it's hot as shit. Woo. Some burnt barbecue.
And so the deacon's
Damn, I was like opening up the oven, making cookies.
civilization may start anew
damn.
on dry land. While the mariner
Shit had me nervous a little bit.
compass.